In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and participate in tournaments on the Pocket Option platform. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, participating in tournaments can be an exciting way to test your skills and compete for fun rewards. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily join these competitions from your own dashboard. Once you've logged into your Pocket Option account and arrived at your dashboard, the first step is to locate the tournament section. On the Pocket Option dashboard, you'll notice a series of options on the right-hand side. Among these options is the Tournaments button. This is where you'll want to click to proceed further. After clicking on the Tournaments button, you'll be taken to a page that displays all the ongoing and upcoming tournaments available to you. This page is your gateway to a range of competitive events, where you can see at a glance the variety of opportunities available for participation. Scroll through the list to explore the different tournaments. Each tournament entry will provide you with essential information, helping you decide which one is best suited for you. The first piece of information you'll notice for each tournament is the prize fund. The prize fund gives you an idea of how much you stand to win, adding an extra layer of excitement as you consider your options. Following that, you'll also see the participation fee. It's important to take note of this fee as it indicates what you'll need to invest to enter the tournament. Lastly, you'll see the time to start, which is crucial for planning your participation. This can be particularly useful if you have other commitments, ensuring that you'll be available when the tournament begins. Once you've identified a tournament that catches your interest, joining it is straightforward. Simply find the Join button associated with the tournament you want to participate in. Clicking this button will enter you into the competition, provided you've met any necessary requirements such as the participation fee. And just like that, you're all set to compete. Participating in tournaments is not only a chance to win prizes, but also a great way to hone your trading skills in a competitive setting. Remember to carefully examine each tournament's details to ensure it aligns with what you're looking to achieve. This mindful approach will enhance your overall experience, making it both rewarding and enjoyable. Thank you for watching this walkthrough about engaging with tournaments on Pocket Option. With this knowledge, you're now ready to dive into the world of competitive trading with confidence. Happy trading, and may you find success in your competitions ahead.